Michigan has long been synonymous with the automotive industry, but a new wave of automation is reshaping its factories and redefining its workforce. While technological advances promise to secure the state's position as a global leader, they also raise challenging questions about job displacement and corporate accountability. Today, we explore the opportunities and challenges facing Michigan as it embraces this new age of automation. Michigan's history as a hub of automotive innovation began in 1913, when Henry Ford's Highland Park plant introduced the assembly line. This breakthrough drastically reduced production times, making automobiles more affordable and accessible to the public. It established Michigan as the global epicenter of the automotive industry, setting the standard for efficiency that reshaped industrial practices worldwide. By the 1980s, Michigan manufacturers embraced robotics, marking the early stages of automation in automotive production. Robotic systems were introduced for welding and painting, enhancing precision and reducing errors. Companies like General Motors led the way, using automation to streamline repetitive processes and boost productivity. Today, Michigan remains at the forefront of manufacturing innovation, adapting 4.0 technologies. These include Internet of Things devices and artificial intelligence systems which enable predictive maintenance, real-time data, and adaptive manufacturing processes. By integrating these advanced systems, Michigan's automotive sector can continue to lead the way in efficiency and competitiveness, ensuring the state's enduring influence in the global market. Automation is reshaping Michigan's workforce, bringing both opportunities and challenges. While technological advancements have increased production efficiency and reduced company costs, the human toll has been significant. A University of Michigan study predicts that up to 30% of manufacturing jobs in this state could be displaced by automation by 2030, particularly those involving low-skill, repetitive tasks. This transition has been a double-edged sword for workers. Many face economic uncertainty as machines replace traditional roles, creating a growing need for reskilling initiatives. At the same time, high-skill jobs such as robotics technicians and AI specialists are emerging as critical roles within automated factories. These positions offer higher wages and long-term career stability, but access remains uneven, leaving many displaced workers without clear pathways. This shift has widened the gap between low-skill and high-skill roles. Workers transitioning to high-skill positions can earn up to $70,000 a year annually, while those unable to reskill often struggle to find equivalent employment. Bridging this divide requires coordinated efforts from industries and policymakers to ensure that the benefits of automation extend to all segments of Michigan's workforce. As automation transforms Michigan's automotive industry, ethical questions about corporate responsibility have emerged. Critics argue that companies must do more to ensure the societal benefits of automation are equitably distributed rather than concentrating solely on profits. A central concern is whether corporations are morally obligated to support workers who are displaced by the technology they implement. Some automakers have introduced reskilling programs to prepare workers for high-tech roles, but these initiatives are often limited in scope. Industry leaders acknowledge the need for partnerships with educational institutions to provide comprehensive training in robotics, AI, and other advanced technologies. However, unions and labor advocates argue that these efforts fall short of what is actually needed to address the widespread job displacement. Unions have also raised concerns about transparency and enforceability of these commitments. Without binding agreements, they contend displaced workers are left vulnerable to economic insecurity. because they are. Labor representatives are calling for stronger policies to hold companies accountable and ensure that reskilling efforts are robust, accessible, and aligned with the evolving needs of Michigan's workforce. A federal jobs program modeled after New Deal initiatives could provide a comprehensive solution to address the automation challenges in Michigan's automotive industry. Such a program would focus on reskilling displaced workers and at risk workers, preparing them for high tech roles in robotics maintenance, AI development, and advanced manufacturing. This approach would help meet the growing demand for skilled labor in the tech sector and ensure sustainable career opportunities for workers nationwide, not just in Michigan. A modern New Deal program would leverage partnerships among federal agencies, state governments, private companies, and educational institutions to create accessible training opportunities. These partnerships could offer free or subsidized vocational education, both online and in person. This ensures inclusivity across diverse demographics. Legislative support, including tax incentives for companies that participate, would be essential to this success. Beyond filling domestic labor gaps, this program would also preserve existing immigration pathways, such as the H-1B visa program, which continues to support skilled foreign workers. A federal jobs program could foster economic growth and social stability by strengthening the domestic workforce without restricting global talent, ensuring that automation's benefits are widely shared. Automation's rapid advance is testing Michigan's legacy as an industrial leader. With deliberate action, investing in workers, fostering innovation, and ensuring equitable opportunities, the state can navigate this transformation while honoring its heritage. Today's choices will shape Michigan's future as a technological powerhouse where workers thrive.